In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Figma, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clickable text link that takes you straight to another page within the same Figma file, which is great for clear navigation and simple documentation. Start by opening your project in Figma. Make sure you're in the correct file where your pages live. On the left side of the interface, you'll see the Pages panel with the list of all pages in that file. This is where you'll grab the destination you want to link to. Find the page you want people to land on, then right-click its name and choose Copy, Link to Page. Figma copies a special URL to your clipboard that points directly to that page. It's quick, and it respects your existing sharing permissions, so only people who can access the file will be able to open it. Next, go to the page where you want the clickable link to appear. Select the text layer you want to turn into a link, then double-click to enter text editing and highlight the exact words you want to make clickable. Look over to the right-hand sidebar in the Text Properties area and find the small link icon. Click that icon and paste the link you copied a moment ago. Press Enter to confirm. You'll notice your selected text now shows as a hyperlink, typically underlined, indicating it's active. To test it, exit text editing so the text layer is no longer highlighted, then click the linked text. Figma will take you directly to the page you copied earlier. That's all there is to it. If the link doesn't seem clickable, make sure you applied it to the text itself rather than the whole frame, and that you confirmed the link after pasting. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Use clear, descriptive wording for your linked text so teammates know where it goes, like Go to Components page or Open Design System. If you rename the destination page later, the link will still work because it targets the page's unique link, not just the name. And remember, the link will only open for collaborators who already have access to the file. So adjust your sharing settings if someone can't follow it. That's the complete workflow. Copy the link from the page you want to reference, highlight your text, click the link icon in the right panel, paste, and confirm. Click the linked text and you'll be directed to the other page instantly.